In this video, I'll be talking about total energy of a satellite in circular orbit. Okay, so let us suppose there is a satellite, there is a planet whose mass is m, radius is r, and there is a satellite which is revolving around this planet in orbit which is having radius r. So my question is that suppose mass of this satellite is small m, then what is the total energy of this satellite in this orbit at any point? So let's say this point is P. So first of all, V0. So V0 is the orbital velocity. Right, V0 is the orbital velocity. Now, how to obtain the value of orbital velocity? So you understand at point P, if you draw the FBD, there has to be some centripetal force which is needed in order to rotate this satellite in circular path, right? So centripetal force. And this centripetal force will be provided by gravitational force. So if this is the scenario, then Fc will be Fg. Fg will be G capital M small m upon small r square, because it is revolving in small r radius circle, right? So now this F centripetal will be m V0 square upon r. So this r and m is cancelled out. We obtained V0 is equal to under root of gm upon r. Here we know that g is equal to gm upon r square. So we get gm is equal to g r square. So we can substitute here. So we achieve g r square upon r. So once I get the value of V0, we can obtain the value of kinetic energy at that moment. So kinetic energy at point P will be half m V0 square. Utilize this value. So half m V0 is root of gm upon r whole square. So this is half m into gm upon r. So we obtained the value of kinetic energy at point P, which will be gm small m capital M upon 2r. This is going to be the value of Kp. Right. Now there is only not one energy, there is another energy, potential energy at point P. Potential energy will be given by minus g capital M small m upon r. Is that fine? We know that potential energy at any point will be minus g m1 m2 upon r. So this time this will be g capital M small m upon r. Total mechanical energy. So total energy E will be is equal to Kp plus Up at that moment. That would be g mm upon 2r plus minus g mm upon r. So this E will be is equal to minus g capital M small m upon 2r. So we get a very important relation. If you see this carefully, this is nothing else k. So E will be is equal to minus k. And if you clearly observe, if you take the ratio Kp upon Up, that means this is gmm upon. So if you take the ratio of the mod Kp mod Up, this will be is equal to, or mod wise gmm upon, this was 2r, this is r, this is cancelled out, this is cancelled out, 1 upon 2. And by the way, k upon u I can generalize it, minus 1 upon 2, because if you don't take the, if you just take the values also into the consideration, then it is this. So K is equal to minus U by 2. So these are the relations between K and U, and total energy is equal to minus K. So now this value can be substituted, minus U by 2 here. So E can also be obtained here, U by 2. Correct? So this is very, very important relation for any gravitational like satellite, which is highly important, and we need to remember these relations, and at least potential energy and kinetic energy. Fine? Yeah.